Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Spotify error, and the error is that didn't work right. Let's refresh or play something from your download. So if you're getting this error, that didn't work right error in a Spotify app on your mobile devices, then here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. Now before performing any of the fixes, first let me tell you that didn't work right error message usually occurs by a temporary server glitch, network interruption, or a corrupted app cache. So before performing any of the fixes, first check the Spotify app server status. So go to Down Detector website, go to downdetector.com. I will provide this link in my video description. Now here search for which service is not working. Type Spotify and then click on Spotify. And here you can see that Spotify user reports show problems with Spotify. And scroll down and here you can see the graph. You can see that so many users are reporting this server issue regarding the Spotify server. You can also check Spotify status X web page, and here you can see issues regarding the Spotify. You can see over here 1 hour ago we are aware of some issues right now and are checking them out. So if you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance, or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check back later. But if their server status is online and if you're still getting this error, then here follow the fixes. First fix is to simply restart your Android device. So just restart your device, and once your device restart, go ahead, launch the Spotify app and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then force stop the Spotify app. So tap and hold the Spotify app icon, then tap on app info, then tap on force stop, and then again click on force stop to confirm. Then go back, launch the Spotify app and check. Next solution is to resync your account. You can log out from your Spotify account. So simply tap on a profile, then click on settings and privacy, scroll down and then click on log out. And after logging out, then log in back and check. Next solution is to clear the cache. So simply tap and hold the Spotify app icon, then tap on app info, then go to the storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it. Then go back, launch the app and check. Next solution is to update or reinstall Spotify. So open the Play Store, tap on search for Spotify and search for it and then tap on it. And if you find any updates available for this app, then update it and then open it and then check. If that doesn't work, then simply uninstall it and then reinstall the Spotify app and then check. But basically this error occur due to a server issue. So you have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check back later. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.